Here's how you can download Affinity Photo 2, Designer 2, or Publisher 2 for the iPad and then license them for free. First, open the App Store and search for Affinity. Choose which app in their suite of apps you would like to use and then tap on Get. Once opened, you are greeted with a message saying start your 7-day free trial. This message is the first reason people think that Affinity isn't actually free, and it does seem a little bit misleading. It just seems like it's another free to download and try app, and then you're stuck with a monthly or yearly subscription if you want to keep using it. Here's what actually happens. First, you're taken through a sign-up process to create an account and start your 7-day free trial. Go ahead and go through the sign-up steps. Then you get this message stating that they'd like to collect your data usage, whether it's truly for bug fixes and UI, or it's to feed Canva's AI engine. I suggest doing your own research here and do what's right for you. But then you have immediate access to all the features. There's nothing that is locked, and there are no paywalls. When you go to your account and look at your license, you're told you have 7 days remaining, but you can buy it now for $0. Tap on Buy Now. You will then own a license to use the app with your one-time $0 purchase. There's no recurring subscription created, and if you check your iPad subscriptions afterward, you won't see Affinity listed as something that's going to start charging you later. You will then maintain access to all the features, and again, no paywalls will appear. Now, when I go to my account and check my license about a month later, I'm assured my license is active and will never expire. If you're interested to learn even more about Affinity's tools, go ahead and click on this video right here.